evaluate integral f of z dz. That is equal to integral x square plus ixy dz from a to b. Here a is 1, 1 and b is 2, 4. Along the curve x equal to t and y equal to t square. Evaluate the integral x square plus ixy dz from the section A to B. Here the curve is given x equal to t and y equal to t square and the curves. Okay, this is equal to integral x square plus ixy into dz. What is dz? dz z equal to x plus iy. So dz equal to dx plus I dy. That is, put dz equal to dx plus I dy. Here, integral is line integral, but here two variables x and y. So we convert either x or y or another variable. Here x equal to t and y equal to t square is given. So we substitute x equal to t and here y equal to t square. Listen, here x equal to t and y equal to t square is given. What is dx by dt? Differentiating x with respect to t. dx by dt is 1. Derivative of t with respect to t is 1. That is dx equal to 1 into dt, that is dt. Y equal to t square. Find dy by dt. Differentiating y with respect to t. That is derivative of t square with respect to t. It's 2t. That is dy equal to 2t into dt. dy equal to 2t dt. That is, we substitute x equal to t, y equal to t square, dx equal to dt and dy equal to 2t dt. Listen, here x square, that is t square. Put x equal to t square plus I x into y. Here x is t, so t, y is t square, so t square. Then dx, what is dx? dx is dt plus I dy. dy is 2t dt. All the terms are in t. So we substitute the limit of t. The variable is t, so substitute the limit of t. Listen, for to find the limit of t here, 1, 1 to the point 1, 1 to 2, 4. Means x varies from 1 to 2. The first value 1. Here the first value 2. So x varies from 1 to 2. Y varies from 1 to 4. Here x varies from 1 to 2 and y varies from 1 to 4. Listen. We get the limit of t from this x equal to t and y equal to t square. Both equation gives the limit of t. Here x equal to t means x and t are same. That is, limit of x is same as limit of t. That is, here x limit is x varies from 1 to 2 and y varies from 1 to 4. Here x is 1 to 2. Here x and y, t are same. So the limit of t is also 1 to 2. Substitute 1 to 2 and open the bracket. Here t square into dt. t square dt plus I 2 t square into t cube dt plus I t cube dt plus, listen, I into I square 2 t, here t cube, t raised to 4 dt. That is equal to integral 1 to 2 t square dt plus I 2 t cube dt, here plus I t cube dt, here I square is minus 1. We know that I square is minus 1. So minus 2 t raised to 4 dt. That is listen, this is integral 1 to 2 t square dt. Listen here, 2I t cube dt, here I t cube dt, here 2I t cube dt, here 1I t cube dt. So the sum is 3I t cube dt, 3I t cube dt, and minus 2 t raised to 4 dt. Then integrate this term and integral t square dt. So t cube by 3 plus here 3I constant. T cube dt is t raised to 4 by 4. T raised to 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. So t raised to 4 by 4. Minus 2 is constant. Integral t raised to 4 dt, t raised to 4 plus 1, 5 by 5. Substitute the limit 1 to 2. First, substitute the upper limit. That is, put t equal to 2. So 2 cube, 8. 8 by 3 plus 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 is 16. That is 3I into 16 by 4 plus, minus 2 by 5, 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 is, 2 raised to 4 is 16 into 2 is 32 into 32 minus lower limit, put t equal to 1. So 1 cube, 1 by 3 plus 3I by 4, t raised to 4, 1 raised to 4 is 1, minus 2 by 5, 1 raised to 5, 1 raised to 5 is 1. That is 8 by 3, 4, 16, we get 4. That is 4 into 3, 12I. Here, minus 64 by 5. Listen, minus of lower limit. Open the bracket, minus 1 by 3. Again minus into plus, minus 3I by 4. Minus into minus, plus 2 by 5. This is, listen, here 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is denominator 3. So 8 minus 1, 7 by 3. Listen, this is minus 64 by 5. This is plus 2 by 5. Denominators are same. So minus 64 plus 2, minus 62 by 5. Then items, 12y. Listen, here 12y minus 3 by 4i. This is multiply the denominators. 3 into 5 is 15. Then cross multiplying 35. 7 into 5, 35 minus 62 into 3, 186. Plus here 4 into 12, 48i minus 3i whole divided by 4. That is equal to, listen, 186 minus 35. So minus 151 by 15. This is 48i minus 3i plus 45i by 4. This is the answer.